Welcome to my channel, Chainsaw Dave USA, here to show you how to do a repair on a fine crack on a difficult surface. So the first thing you're going to want is a little block with a little L shape on it. You're going to want a stick like that for putting glue in the crack. You're going to take this and screw it in opposing the crack. After you get that on so it's nice and tight, then you're going to want to get your glue, and you're going to take some glue, open up your crack the best you can without breaking it, and try to put some glue inside that crack. The more glue you can get in, the better. But there again, without breaking it. Doesn't matter if we get a bunch of glue everywhere because we're going to sand this all off. Kind of pull it away and then pack it in there the best you can. Open it up as much as possible and then use your little homemade stick that I carved into a knife to pack it in there real good. Once you got it packed in there, then you run it all the way up best you can. You're going to take some sawdust and sprinkle it on there. You're going to push it on there, and that'll hide the glue. After you do that, you're going to get your bar clamp, open it up, grab that block, and watch as you pull it tighter. Go as tight as you can without breaking the tips of the wing. This is for an eagle that I'm making. And that, my friends, is how you do a repair on a convexed or concave surface. My goal is to get rid of any defects that I can find. Sometimes we'll have structural defects. This is what I do full time. I make wood carvings, live edge tables. That's a 24-foot boardroom table. I'm getting ready. This is going to be a river door. So right now it's inversed. I'm going to flip that live edge to the other live edge and do a river pour. We'll do that next week. And I'm getting ready for a show, so I'm doing a bunch of cutting boards and a maple burl. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like and subscribe. Chainsaw Dave USA with all natural edge designs. Take care. God bless.